Hello, my name is Gillian Kelly and I'm Chief Nurse here at West London NHS Trust. Today on World Suicide Prevention Day, I want us all to remember the power of listening. Sometimes the bravest thing that anyone can do is to say that they're not okay. And often the greatest gift that anyone can give is to simply listen without judgment. So if you're struggling, please reach out to someone that you trust, a friend, a colleague, or to our support services. We are always here to help.
Hi everyone, my name's Jade. I'm a nurse consultant in physical health, and in light of Suicide Prevention Day, I just want to remind everyone that everybody's lives matter, and no matter where you are, there is always someone that you can reach out and talk to.
Hi, my name's Matthew Welding and I'm Deputy Director of Nursing for West London Forensic Service. I just want to highlight the 10th of September is World Suicide Prevention Day. You don't have to be an expert to help. You can reach out, you can support, you can listen, and where necessary you can point people in the right direction to get professional help. And remember, talking saves lives and you're never alone.
Good day everyone, my name is Tandy Kwana. I'm the Practice Development and Innovation Nurse for West London NHS Trust. Today, in World Suicide Prevention Day, with the theme Changing the Narrative on Suicide, which happens to affect people from all over the world, my call to action is for us to demystify suicide, reduce stigma, and foster open and compassionate conversations about suicide.
Hi, I'm Dr. Sharabi. I'm a consultant liaison psychiatrist. Just to remind everyone that our mental health team is always available in the emergency department 24 hours if you need anything.
Hello, I'm Naira, dietitian, and for the World Suicide Prevention Day, I will say, if you know someone who is struggling, let them know they are not alone.
Hi everyone, my name's Suhana and I am Deputy Chief Medical Officer at West London. The 10th of September is World Suicide Prevention Day, and this is really just a quick few words to say that every life is important. Many of us have been at breaking point and haven't felt like we are able to go on. There is always someone to talk to, and you are important.
Hello, hi, I'm Sean Hare. I'm a service manager working in specialist mental health services. The message that I wanted to give you today in recognition of World Suicide Prevention Day is that reach out. People aren't going to judge you. Please reach out and talk.
My name is Vincent Law. I'm the Borough Clinical Director for Hampstead and Fulham. I have a very similar message. You know, everyone can have difficulties and difficult times. And if you do reach out. We have really good offer in the borough, and you only find out if you reach out. So for Suicide Prevention Day, I really want this message to go wide for this. Thank you.
Hiya, I'm Zoe and I'm a senior nurse here in the Mental Health Autism team at West London NHS Trust. As it's Suicide Prevention Day, it's important that we recognise that suicide is preventable, and it's okay if you're not feeling okay. You should reach out for help. We have a 24-hour, 7-day-a-week service here at the single point of access in all of our West London boroughs, and you can call us anytime for support or if you need to speak to someone. Our number is 0800 328 4444. Reach out for help and don't wait.
My name's Nick Hipkins. I'm a consultant psychiatrist with the crisis team in Hampstead and Fulham. For Suicide Prevention Day, I think the message is please look out for each other. That if you got a loved one, someone that you know, and they're just not quite right, they're just not off, just talk to them. Just reach out. The small things matter. Be there. We need to be there for one another. And if we're there for one another, the little things add up to the big things. So please look out for the people around you. Thanks.
Hello everyone, my name is Nyarai, Recruitment and Retention Lead for Local Services. The 10th of September is World Suicide Prevention Day. Let us continue to support and look out for one another, fostering a workplace that is rooted in kindness and care. Remember, reaching out can save a life, and every life matters.
Hi everyone, my name is Sumit and I work as a senior clinical practitioner in the single point of access West London NHS Trust. In light of Suicide Prevention Day, we stand with those who are struggling with their mental health. You're not alone. Help is always there. A simple conversation can save a life. Let's talk, let's listen, let's support each other.
Hi, my name's Sarah and I'm a Service Manager for West London NHS Trust. For this World Suicide Prevention Day, I want to remind you that if you're feeling overwhelmed or if you're having thoughts of suicide, you don't have to carry it alone. You can now call NHS 111 option 2 for mental health and there will be someone to listen to you. There is always help available.
Hi everyone, my name is Cherie Howard. I am the lead clinical practice development nurse for West London Child and Adolescent Mental Health Services. And on this World Suicide Prevention Day, I would just like to encourage you that if you are ever worried about an adult or a young person, then please don't stay silent. In order for us to change the narrative around suicide, we can start with one simple act, and that's just having an open, honest, caring conversation with someone about how they're really doing. So I would really like to encourage you today to be that connection for someone and show them that they do really matter.
Hello, I'm Bertha Matunge, Deputy Chief Nurse here at West London NHS Trust. Suicide prevention is not just about awareness, it's about action. Today we pause to remember that behind every smile there may be an untold story. Reaching out and listening without judgment and reminding someone that they truly matter can make all the difference. So let's commit to being more present and more compassionate.